Now Irkutsk, a major trading, industrial and transportation hub in eastern Siberia. In it there are all popular forms of transport: trains, planes, trams, trolleybuses, buses, river and marine ships. The city is the intersection of four major ways, which allowed him to achieve such a development. It began on August 16, 1898, when 120 years ago the first train arrived in Irkutsk. It was thanks to the appearance of the railroad in Irkutsk that the Glaskovska suburb became a railway settlement. It housed a powerful complex of repair workshops and depots, warehouses, station service, piers and resettlement points. With the increase in the pace of construction of the Trans-Siberian Railway, the lack of competent mid-level specialists was felt very actually.
And in 1902 it was decided to open craft technical courses for adult employees and teenage students of workshop and depots, and from that moment began the history of our Siberian College of Transport and Construction. But the urgent need for an average special institution was precised, and in 1921 the Irkutsk Mechanical and Construction Technical School of Railways was opened.
The country became on a footing, and in 1934 the technical school was reorganized in a school of military technicians. In 1931 the first 80 technicians graduated. Many graduates of SMT became managers of railway transport enterprises, transport construction and design organizations. In 1954, the School of Military Technicians was transformed in the Irkutsk Construction Technical Schools of Transport Construction.
From 1958 to 1966, new academic buildings, dormitories, and two sports halls were built on the left bank of the Angara River. Almost from scratch, a new material base of the education institution was created. The decade of 1974 to 1984 in the history of the technical school and the country was marked by the great construction of the Baikal-Amur Railway. Almost all the students of the technical school took part in the construction. In October 1991, the Irkutsk Building Technical School of Transport Construction was transformed into the Irkutsk College of Transport. In September 1993, the college teamed up with the Irkutsk Construction College, which has excited since 1968 in the neighborhood. Just joining the driving school established in October 1960. This is how the largest educational institution of Russia, the Siberian State Regional College of Construction and Business, was founded. In November 2012, the college entered the structure of Irkutsk State University of Railway Transport and was renamed the Siberian College of Transport and Construction. Over the years, more than 40,000 specialists were graduated. In the college, serious attention is paid to educational, culture, mass and physical works. There are student club, art groups and sports section. The library, reading room, dance hall and 3 specialized sports halls are at the service of students. The college has a strong material and technical base, created specialized classrooms and laboratories equipped with the modern audio and video equipment, interactive teaching aids. The educational process uses 246 computers connected by a local network and having access to the internet through the server of the college. All non-resident students are provided with place in the dormitory. The college has good transport accessibility. It can be reached by a trolleybus, tram, bus and car, and at the same time being in the intersection of transport ways. The college is located in an ecological unfavorable region, executes fumes and noise pollution, prevents students from getting an education. Graduates of the college successfully work in the field of construction, transport, economy and management. Students of the college get an education in the construction of infrastructure and operation of the most promising types of transport, for which the greatest load is placed on the transport of goods and passengers, its road and railway. Their development allows increasing international and interregional trade relations by improving the economy and competition, but on the other hand, it harms the local producer and increased use of transport damages the environment by exhaust emission. Therefore, the work of our students for 115 years is aimed at the creation and modernization of infrastructure to improve the quality and speed of service, the most environmentally friendly mode of transport, mainly due to electrification and a great volume of transport goods, railways. The introduction of modern technology in rail transport allows to reduce the carbon footprint of passenger and freight traffic, which makes sustainable development of the society according to the Sustainable Development Goals by United Nations. Observing the tradition, keeping the memory of the past, and having a desire for development, the country will always have a future. Our college has many shortcomings, but at the same time it is opportunity for development. Siberian College of Transport and Construction. Here begins your way to success.